Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss most important MCQs in biochemistry part first. An amino acid not found in proteins. Option A beta alanine, B proline, C lysine, and option D histidine. So the correct option is A beta alanine. Explanation is beta alanine is not incorporated into proteins during translation. It is a non-proteinogenic amino acid unlike proline, lysine, and histidine, which are standard protein building amino acids. In mammalian tissues, serine can be a biosynthetic precursor of option A methionine, B glycine, C tryptophan, and option D phenylalanine. So the correct option is B glycine. Explanation is serine can be converted to glycine via the enzyme serine hydroxymethyl transferase, which transfer a methylene group into tetrahydrofolate. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. So this is very important MCQs. The decarboxylation of the amino acid produce a vasodilating compound. Option A arginine, B aspartic acid, C glutamine, and option D histidine. So the correct option is D histidine. Histidine is decarboxylated to form histamine, a well-known vasodilator. Other options do not produce vasodilator upon decarboxylation. Complete digestion of 1 gram of protein result in option A 14 kilojoules of energy, B 15 kilojoules of energy, option C 16 kilojoules of energy, and option D 17 kilojoules of energy. So the correct option is D 17 kilojoules of energy. Proteins provide 4 kilocalories per gram, which convert to 17 kilojoule per gram. So this is very important MCQs. Test of proteins is known as option A iodine test, B Biuret test, C ethanol emulsion test, and option D Benedict test. So the correct option is B Biuret test. Biuret test detects peptide bonds turn violet color in the presence of proteins. Iodine test for starch, Benedict for reducing sugars, and ethanol emulsion for lipids. Dear students, proteins contain option A only L amino acid, B only D amino acids, option C D L amino acids, and option D both A and B. So the correct option is A only L amino acids. Naturally occurring proteins are composed of L amino acids except some bacterial peptides containing D amino acids. Most of the ultraviolet absorption of proteins above 240 nanometer is due to their content of option A tryptophan, B aspartate, C glutamate, and option D alanine. So the correct option is A tryptophan. Tryptophan absorbed strongly at 280 nanometer due to indole ring Tyrosine also contributes, but tryptophan has higher absorbance. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is a dipeptide bond? So option A, insulin, B, glutathione, C, glucagon, and option D, beta lipoprotein. So the correct option is A, insulin. Insulin is a dipeptide. Glutathione is a tripeptide, while glucagon and beta lipoprotein are larger peptide proteins. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. So, nanhydrin with the evolution of CO2 formed a blue complex with option A, peptide bond, B, alpha amino acid, C, serotonin, and option D, histamine. So the correct option is B, alpha amino acids. Explanation is nanhydrin reacts with free alpha amino group and amino acid to produce a purple blue color complex and CO2. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is a tripeptide? Option A, insulin, B, oxytocin, C, glutathione, and option D, pyridine. So the correct option is C, glutathione. Glutathione is a tripeptide amino acid. Oxytocin and pyridine are larger peptide. Amino acids where they have high melting point. Option A, true, B, false. So the correct option is A, true. Explanation is due to their zwitterion nature, amino acids have strong intermolecular ionic interactions leading to high melting points. A dye is dissolved in water, so the dash is the solute and the solvent of dash molecule. Option A, water and dye. B, dye and water. Option C, dye and dye. Option D, water and water molecule. So the correct option is B, dye and water molecule. Explanation is the dye is the solute dissolved substance and water is the solvent dissolving medium. An example of a polar amino acid is option A, alanine, B, leucine, C, arginine, and option D, valine. So the correct option is C, arginine. Arginine has a positively charged side chain, making it polar. Carbonic anhydrase is an example of option A, lipoprotein, B, phosphoprotein, C, metalloprotein, and option D, chromoprotein. So the correct option is C, metalloprotein. Carbonic anhydrase contain zinc and a classic metalloprotein. Histones are option A, identical to protamine, B, proteins rich in lysine and arginine, option C, proteins with high molecular weight, and option D, insoluble in water and very dilute acids. So the correct option is B, proteins rich in lysine and arginine. Histones are basic proteins due to high lysine arginine content, facilitating DNA binding. The protein present in here is option A, keratin, B, elastin, C, myosin, and option D, tropocollagen. So the correct option is A, keratin. Keratin is the primary structure protein in hair, nail and skin. The amino acid with a non-polar acid chain is serine, B, valine, C, asparagine, and option D, threonine. So the correct option is valine. Valine has a hydrophobic non-polar side chain. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें। In proteins, the alpha helix and beta pleated sheet are examples of option A, primary structure, B, secondary structure, C, tertiary structure, and option D, quaternary structure. So the correct option is B, secondary structure. Explanation is alpha helix and beta pleated sheets are the secondary structure of amino acid. So this is the last MCQs. The alpha helix of protein is option A, pleated structure, B, made periodically by disulfide bridge, C, a non-periodic structure, and option D, stabilized by hydrogen bonds between nitrogen and hydrogen and CO groups of the main chain. So the correct option is D. Explanation is hydrogen bonds between big bond carbon and oxygen and nitrogen bond with hydrogen groups are stabilizing the helix. Thank you for watching my videos.